Datu Siri Johari bin Abdul Ghani, Minister for Plantation and Commodities, Malaysia. Excellency Datu Muhammad Azhar Mezlan, Honorable High Commissioner, Malaysia. Mr. Rashid Jan Muhammad, Chief Executive, Pakistan Edible Oil Conference, Chairman, Pakistan Edible Oil Refineries Association. Sheikh Umar Rehan, Chairman, Pakistan Vegetable Manufacturers Association. Mr. Zain Mahmood, Chairman, All Pakistan Solvent Extraction Associations. Mr. Asif Iqbal Karacha, Chairman, Pakistan Manufacturers Associations. And many others, I know of many others, especially my regards to Bashir Jan Muhammad. As Rashid Jan Muhammad mentioned many names, but I've Sufi Tariq, Mia Neeb Saab, we have a long relationship, and no doubt I have a long and very strong relationship with this industry also. And it's my privilege to come here to inaugurate this conference second time. First time, I think, in 2017, under the command of Bashir Jan Muhammad. 2017, I think. First time I inaugurated this conference. It is of course my privilege. Today it's a privilege for me again for the inauguration of 7th Pakistan Edible Oil Conference in Karachi. As I mentioned, I have long association with the edible oil industry and feel privileged to be amongst the solvents of edible oil industry of Pakistan and from all over the world. Pakistan is indeed a very important market for edible oils and oil seeds. Unfortunately, our indigenous production is very low and our dependency on import of edible oil is around 90% of requirements. This is really very unfortunate. As mentioned by Rashid Jan Muhammad, we must focus on to produce indigenous edible oil. We import around 3 million tons of palm oil from Malaysia and Indonesia. Indonesia, due to its huge production, occupied major share in Pakistan market, that is around 85 to 90%. Our government is making all efforts to increase our local production. We have seen more progress in increasing the production of local rapeseed and sunflower seed. We are giving maximum incentives to increase our local production, and this respect, I invite our brothers to Malaysia and Indonesia to come forward in the field of agri production in Pakistan. As you know, Minister Agri sector is a very strong base of Pakistan economy, and import of edible oil, it's the second largest import bill of Pakistan after petroleum product, and we are trying our best. And this industry, I must say, come forward, edible oil industry in Pakistan, come forward and to hold hand of farmers, to give them the incentives so they produce indigenous edible oil. And this practice in all over the world, prevails all over the world, and also now in these days Pakistan is also going on this formula. Many textile owners holding the hand of the farmers and giving the incentive, giving the certified seeds to them, and even going on contract formula to produce cotton in Pakistan, which is already we are going down in cotton production. I am glad to note that Pakistan Edible Oil Conference is giving a great platform to all the stakeholders to come under one roof, not only to interact but also to explore the possibilities of enhancing the trade between our brotherly countries. Apart from edible oils, Pakistan is a huge market to crush seeds, which not only produce edible oil for the local industry, but also meal for all poultry industry. Our crushing industry has enhanced the value addition, and we hope that with the crushing capacity we have explored the possibilities of exporting soya meal and canola meal all over the world. We have also best logistics available in Pakistan, and we are still improving the infrastructure at our seaports. I see great opportunities for Malaysia and Indonesia in particular, and many countries in general to invest in our infrastructure projects, which will not only enhance our capabilities but will also facilitate the international trade. As you mentioned about the Kasam port, you, Minister, along with your people visited last day, yesterday. I just mentioned here that the government, my ministry, has developed and built a state-of-the-art special economic zone on Bin Qasim, and providing all facilities there, all concessions, all incentives, tax-free, and no custom duty, any excise duty, nothing. It's and giving the on cheap rate the land for to establish industry in Pakistan. And that is the best place, I think. There is a state-of-the-art special economic zone in Pakistan on Bin Qasim port. I am offering you to bring your investors to Pakistan and establish their industry in Bin Qasim Special Economic Zone. And from there you can export around the world. That is a big opportunity available to invest in Pakistan. I am also happy to note that the culture of promoting brand in Pakistan is getting the momentum, and now we can see many brands taking huge market share in the edible oil industry. In this respect, I shall emphasize that we have to maintain the best quality of our products, which will not only improve our sales, but the same will be imperative for the health of our masses. I am once again grateful to Mr. Shi Jan Mohammed and the organizer for inviting me to inaugurate this important global conference, and I wish great success not only to organizers but to all the stakeholders who have come from all over the Pakistan. And as Rishi Jamal mentioned, a few issues, problems. Whenever any issue, any problem bring to my notice, I try to solve that issue, problem, without any delay. And in future, I assure you and this industry, I am available there anytime, all the time. Any issue you have, I will try to resolve that issue. As you mentioned about the GMO, at the moment, only soybean is allowed to import from USA and not from Brazil. I will look into it and try to resolve, but everybody should know about the difference between USA and Brazil. US, you know, US is a USA. So priority is USA. This is on lighter side, but not taking long time, because state secretary have taken too much time, much more than formal speakers. And this is practice in Pakistan, and you've made this event live. Thank you very much. I am particularly grateful to the Malaysian Minister, Dr. Sri Johari bin Abdul Ghani, for sparing his valuable time to give his keynote address in the conference. I shall be happy to further interact with him to enhance the bilateral trade between Malaysia and Pakistan. And I want to mention here that being So the relationship, having a relationship with this industry, in private capacity, I visited Malaysia many, many times. At that time, we think Malaysia is a second home for edible ghee industry people. And in official capacity, I also visited almost 4 or 5 times. And even I went to Langkawi once. That is a nice place in Malaysia, very nice place, like our northern areas. I like Langkawi, Mister. I wish you all the pleasant stay in Karachi. Thank you very much once again.